Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, in this video I'm going to tell about an video calling app in which you can do video calling to far away lands and far away people. You can just do calling, video calling, and it is like you can call to face. So let's get started. And guys, I will tell the latest update of Google Meet. So let's get started. Guys, this is the app name Google Meet. This is the and from I will now from here I will click on I will click on I will click on I will click on new meeting. Link is in the description box, so you can check it out from there. Now over here I am going to click on start an instant meeting. You can schedule you can schedule a meeting, and over there the people or the students who have to join, they can join without any host. And you can just create a meeting link and share it, and afterwards you can use it. So now I will search start an instant meeting, and my meeting is starting. And my meeting is created. Now over here this icon will appear, this box, and in this box I just show here's the option of add stud and add others, and you can add others. And here's the meeting code. This meeting code, you can share this meeting code to your students, or you can copy it from here. See it, this meeting code. So guys, it is very simple to create a meeting. Now I am going to click on cancel. I'm going to click on cancel because I don't want to add others. Now guys, over here option comes that you need to open captions or not. Like wait, I speak something. Please like, share, subscribe to my channel. So guys, you can see it is over here, and it is written. You can see guys, it is written. So guys, you can use like this the captions, and it will be more good for you if the students can't hear your voice and if you are presenting your screen. So guys, next thing comes to how to present your screen, like how to show the work. So I am going to click on this icon, and these three options will come. You need to click on any of the one, like if I want my entire screen to be presented, and like I show one by one. It is over here. You need to select your window, you need to select your screen, and you can see guys, my screen is presented. So guys, it is like this. My screen is presented. Now I will click on stop sharing and my screen is stopped. Now I will click on again and click on a window. Now I am opening two windows. One is my screen recorder and another one is Google Meet. So I will click on Google Meet. And I just show presenting. So guys, 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 and I just show the. 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 So guys, and I just show the video call. 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 I just let's start. Just click. Just click. Just click videos. 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 videos, 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 videos,